Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Google Chrome on the PC you want to control and the device you'll connect from. Sign into the same Google account on both systems so authorization is seamless. Once done, open Chrome Remote Desktop, choose Set up Remote Access, and assign a strong 6+ digit PIN. Make sure the target machine stays awake and connected to the internet. These steps enable secure, persistent access without needing Windows 11 Pro. Next, configure unattended access so you can connect anytime. In Chrome Remote Desktop, enable remote access and give the machine a clear name so you can find it later. Enter and confirm a 6+ digit PIN. This is your primary authentication for remote sessions. Then adjust the host PC's power and network settings. Set sleep to never and allow apps through the firewall. These changes keep the computer reachable and reduce connection failures when you try to connect remotely. To connect, open Chrome Remote Desktop on your phone or another computer, locate the named host, and enter the PIN to start the remote session. You'll see the desktop and can control apps, transfer files, and sign out when done. If something goes wrong, first confirm the host is online and not sleeping, then check Windows Firewall and Router NAT if necessary. As a single troubleshooting tip, restart the host's remote service or the machine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.